How do you say green in Spanish? The word green in Spanish is verde. Verde. For example, me encantan las manzanas verdes. Me encantan las manzanas verdes. I love green apples. Lleva un vestido verde precioso. Lleva un vestido verde precioso. She's wearing a lovely green dress. Just like the word azul, which means blue, verde doesn't change in the feminine. But it does change in the plural. You have to add an S to the end. So verde in the plural becomes verdes. El semáforo está en verde. El semáforo está en verde. The traffic light is green. Los árboles son muy verdes en primavera. Los árboles son muy verdes en primavera. The trees are very green in spring. Quiero pintar la cocina de verde. Quiero pintar la cocina de verde. I want to paint the kitchen green. So if you want to say green in Spanish, you can say verde. And if you want to learn to speak Spanish, you can go to my course 3 Minute Spanish by heading to www.3minlanguages.com. Don't forget to use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Gracias.